What is going on, my lovely people, on this Aloha Friday? Coming to you this weekend, who has the heat? Battle, lick my Nikes versus What the Sneaker on 6313 Retro Queen channel, Sunday, 8:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Make sure you be there. It's gonna be a banger. Everybody's description gonna be in the below, the sis, PMKICKZ, MCFLYKOF, all that good stuff. Let's jump into this review. This is gonna be the shoe, the forgotten bid. These forgotten bids are dangerous. Let me tell you, nothing like putting in the bid you forget about. Next thing you know, it hits your account, and bam, what just happened, right? So let's get into this review. You see, as you got this box here, very dope box. Jordan brand, they are using it a little too much. One or the specialist out of it, but nonetheless, it's better than the traditional black and gold box. Size 10.5. Air Jordan 7 Retro SP reflective silver bronze. Suggested retail price $225 of them thing. I put in a lowball bid on StockX, got these I think for like $80. So these are the official Jordan 7 reflective forgotten bid pack, right? But actually the other two in there, I'm gonna get them later. I got some lowball bids and those, so we'll see. Got the 6 and got the 8. So as you can see, got that. Got this fake StockX card. Got my black paper, and this sucker's wrapped in like so. You got black paper in like here, and all of that good stuff. And you got another StockX card. How much I paid for it. Pay for all that stuff. You got extra laces, and boy, they got this sucker wrapped in. I'll have the video gonna be about the wrap, and bam. The forgotten bid 7s, right? Reflective, not too much about the shoe. You got your StockX tag, right? The 7 started the no more air unit in the shoes, right? Tinker Hatfield joint, very dope in my opinions. 7 is kind of underrated. They're comfortable. Get the right ones right underneath the bottom. Very dope. 7 was that kind of that psychedelic hits, right? You got like gold, and then you got gray, red. Some people say cardinal, black. This is the normal get-go or the normal MO for the 7. So pretty much this shoe is completely 3M. All of them are 3M. That's the thing. Reflections of a champion pack, right? You see that? Just don't scratch it. See here, you got the breathability holes. You got pretty much regular laces. Then you got the Jordan. There's probably 3 hits on the tongue as well with the air come around the side. You got the puka holes as well. You see that for breathability. And then you got here on the side, you got some more this like maroon type white action going on here. Your stitched in Jumpman. You don't have the full belly from the buffet, as what guy Eric say. Stitched in here. Very dope on the back. The 23. You also got the pull tab. You're gonna need that because this sometimes this sock booty interior right here gets on your done nerves, so you definitely need that. Coming around on the media side, pretty much the same thing. 3 hits all over, but when the hit gets right, it is very dope. You feel me? Inside the line, you can see you got the red hits, and you got the Jumpman. You probably seen many videos on this, but I'm just doing mine. As you should see, 10.5 to 12 on the shoe tree. And you got, like I said, inside all of that good stuff. So on a little bit meter being the price, it was a forgotten bid. I did want these shoes. They are dope on feet. You gotta wear skinny jeans to rock them. I will give this shoe about a 4.7 out of 5. Yes, 4.7 out of 5. You let me know what you think. For most people, this is probably the least liked out of the pack, which I probably would agree with that. But nonetheless, you got to start somewhere, right? Because it's all 3 of them. I think the 6 is the best out of the pack, in my opinion. So y'all leave a comment suggestion below. Let me know what you think about the reflection pack, forgotten bid, and we'll chop it up in the comment section. Thanks for all the love and support. Don't forget to smash the like button as we on the road to 10K KO4. We out. Peace.